I grew up with a spiritual path based on the connection with the elements, earth, air, fire, water, and Great Spirit, who was never a grumpy old man in the sky. And this simply made a lot of sense to me. I've never given away my power in a traditional sense. But what I would like you to do is to take some time out, get your journal out, or if you've already got a book of shadows that you have prepared as you wish to dive into the course, and write down what you are hoping to find. Energy, strength, peace, focus, direction, inspiration, love, acceptance, connection, faith, gods, goddesses, fairies, spirits, elves. Or are you looking for other people to play with? Make your list. What you want to experience as you walk this path, as you go through this course. You can pick out what works for you best. You can go, yes, no. And what do you prefer? This is put together primarily for the solitary witch. I spend an inordinate amount of my time on my own. My partner works away and we have a farm. We are 40 kilometres from town and the neighbour quite some distance away. So it's actually a good thing that I like my own company. However, sometimes people come out and they join me for drumming ceremonies, which I have on a regular basis, and I love that. And again, when I'm in the city, we always have a fire ceremony and I invite our near neighbours over to participate. So if you want to create something around the Sabbaths, around the full moon, then perfect. Get a calendar together, and the electronic ones are fabulous these days because you can put it all in a head, write down, and bing, it will let you know beforehand so that you can get ready. It's important that what you take up is yours. The other thing about being a solitary witch, of course, is not everybody can find a group that they like or feel that they belong to. And no point getting hyper excited thinking, oh, there's a coven around the corner. I'll go ask Sally if I can join. If you really think Sally has lost the plot and you don't like her in their everyday life, is there? Don't join it. That would be crazy. Look to yourself. Find freedom and practice openly as much as you wish, or do it behind closed doors. It is up to you. You can do it in very subtle ways. The path you choose may be dependent in some part on how open you can actually be about your practice. If, for example, you live in a share house with 10 other people who aren't accepting, you might want to just contain it within your room. And that's okay. You don't have to have an altar. You don't have to have the tools. Simply bless it. So mote it will be. And last but not least, let's be totally realistic. Most of us are extraordinarily time poor. So this is why I would like you to concentrate and to really write down this list of what you do and do not wish to find within this course. And then move forward with lightness in your heart, knowing that there is no chore that you must do. There is no box that you must tick. You might scan through going, oh, I really want to do that. Oh, I really want to consecrate my cauldron, for example, because I love cauldrons. Then do it. Or I really want to just learn about the moon. I really want to just draw the major 4 Sabbaths, not interested in the minor ones. It is up to you to make your commitment on what time and what you want in your life. And then go into it with a light heart and an open mind, and allow the blood and allow the love to infuse through you. For this is the course of love from me to you.